In this video, we'll be going over the card sheet templates again, but this time we'll be talking about how to apply an uncommon back to your cards. So if you haven't already watched the previous video, click the link that I'll put right here. And if you don't have your annotations on, make sure you have that on, or I'll just put it in the description. Anyway, watch the first video. Okay, so here we have our sheet. I moved some of these cards around just for the sake of showing you how to work this out. This card here, it's copied 3 times. This is the card that we want to have a separate back. This card has a back that matches the face, except it's a different type of card. So the rest of these cards are going to use the same back we used in the previous video, except these 3 right here. So if you don't remember, here's our back, and we want to have the back change for these 3 cards. So again, if you take your card that you drew on your piece of paper and you flip it over, if you have more than one card on that, you'll see that this row here, it's aligned to the right on the face, but when you flip the sheet over, this row right here is going to be aligned to the left. So you have to keep that in mind when you do this. It might get tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it's not hard. So, whoops. Sorry. Okay. So we want to use the 3rd card down on the back, and we want to change this back. So we bring up our back sheet, take our back, and it was on the right, now it's on the left. So 1, 2, 3 cards down, and rotate it so that the bottom is facing the right, and we'll just drop that right in here. So there's that one. And now we want to apply this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 cards down, and the center row doesn't change, obviously. It's just the left and the right sides that change when you flip it over. So 1, 2, 3, 4 cards down. Snap this in and merge it flat. And now the last card is in the bottom corner here, so it's the 6th card down. And since it's on the left, when we flip it over, it's going to be on the right. So we'll drop this card in on the bottom on the right. And merge it flat. And now when you save out this back sheet, make sure that you name it properly, because if you have your face sheet, let's say this is face sheet 2, you want to make sure that this back that matches is called back sheet 2. Otherwise, we're not going to be able to find out what cards go with what. And it looks like it's incorrect, but it is, because once these cards come out of the printer and we flip them over, whatever's on the left is on the right, and whatever's on the right is on the left. And it still probably makes no sense, but give it a try, get the hang of it, and if you have any questions, let us know. That's it. Thanks.